most conversant, at most kind. Yan. Tawagin natin si Justine Bien Damian. Si Bien.
Most kind.
Most kind? Question mark? Most kind.
Hello, hello.
My name is Justine Bien. When I grow up, I want to be first time for 19. I love because there's the past.